Hello everyone. Let's talk about how you're going to make money as a single mother or a mother staying at home. Women pass through a lot. Some of them depend on their relatives or on their husband for them to make money. But internet has become a very big, massive platform for everybody to dive into. So let's talk about how you're going to make money online. How you're going to make money online this 2024 as a single mother or as a mother. Number one thing is being a content creator on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. These things don't cost much if you want to start it. You will spend less to start it. You can stay in your room, in your house, start creating something, start adding value to people, being a content creator on these three apps: Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. With time goes on, they will start paying you and will start earning money from these apps. So number two thing as a single mother that you're going to dive into that will help you to make money online in 2024, or as a mother who is staying at home, is writing poems, novels, series in Amazon PDF. So Amazon PDF has become a very big, massive platform for anybody who want to make money online. They have come to stay, and they need to take your work around the world. So it's not left for you to bring out your talent for the whole world to see what you got, and for the world to see what you can do with your brain. Can you write novel? Can you write poem? Can you write series? Amazon PDF is there for you to showcase your talent. Number three things that is genuine that you're going to dive into if you want to make money online as a mother or a single mother staying at home is writing emails for companies to their clients. A lot of companies are looking for people who write emails for them around the world. So they have created the opportunity for yourself, for you to work with them. It's not left for you to know the one you're going to dive into and the one that will suit you and the one that you benefit from. So writing emails for companies will help